Welcome to week 4 of our course GSP340 on level design and modification. I wanted to give you some motivation for some of the work here in week 4. It's our modules are fairly typical. We've got some readings, a lab, a course project work, and some discussion activities. In particular, in the lab, some of the work may seem a little challenging, but I want to give you some motivation for doing a good job and spending the time on this. Some of the key aspects of the lab this week is aesthetics of your level and your game modification. This includes texture mapping, no more gray box objects. This includes lighting and particle effects such as smoke, fire, and so on. In order to provide additional motivation, I'd like to show you the results of a former student's work that did a particularly good job on this. As you can see, the texture mapping of the ground and the foliage and the sky and the walls here, as well as the lighting techniques, have all been accomplished, and he has a really nice environment. Here are a couple of particle effects for flames coming out of the torches, and as we enter inside, you see additional lighting effect as sparks coming off a lamp or something like that. Notice that all the gray boxed objects have been converted into static meshes, and they all include texture mapping and very nice lighting effects. So hopefully this will provide you with additional motivation for doing really well on this week's lab work and the rest of this week's work. Let me know if you have any questions.